children, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to see lesson 2, explore the keyboard in computer science. Dear children, in our previous lesson we have learned about hardware and software of a computer. Hardware refers to the physical part of a computer that can be seen and touched. For example, the monitor, keyboard, mouse, speaker, etc. The input devices form the hardware of a computer. Children, what is input device? The input devices help us to feed data into the computer. Today, webcam and scanner are other frequently used input devices. Am I right? Okay, children, now let's go to the lesson. Children, can you say if a computer keyboard is an input device or an output device? Yes, keyboard is an input device. We know keyboard is an input device. When we type using the keyboard, it gives input to the computer. The buttons on the computer keyboard are called keys. Okay, now let's learn the uses of few special keys. Numlock key, page down key, home key and end key, escape key, page up key and function keys. Okay. Children, now let's see about the first key, numlock key. We have learned that the number keys are found at the two places on the keyboard. The number keys placed on the right side of a keyboard are called the numeric keypad or number pad. When we press the numlock key, the light on the top right corner glows. We will now be able to type the numbers. Now one special kind of keyboards available in the market. This keyboards specially designed for visually impaired. Okay children, now let's learn about home key and end key. They are present on the right side of the keyboard. When working on a document, pressing the home key moves the cursors to the beginning of the line on which you are currently typing. Similarly, pressing the end key moves the cursors to the end of the line. Suppose you want to go to the very beginning of the text or a page, pressing Ctrl and the Home at the same time takes you to the very beginning of the text or the page. Suppose you want to go to the very end of the page, document or text, pressing Ctrl and End key at the same time takes you to very end of the document, page or the text. Okay, children, now we will learn about page up key and page down key. Page up and the page down keys are two keys commonly found on the computer keyboards. Okay, the page up key, PG up, that is the short form of page up key, is used to scroll up the page. Page down key, PGDN, the short form of page down key, is used to scroll down the page. Now let's see escape key. The escape key is often shown as ESC key. It is found at the top left corner of the keyboard. When we press this key, any running program gets cancelled. For example, exiting full screen mode, watching a full screen YouTube video on your computer. Press escape to return to the web page. Function keys. The function keys are at the top of the keyboard from F1 to F12. These keys act as shortcuts and enable us to do several functions quickly. For example, F1 key is the help key. When we press the F1 key in any program, we see the help menu for the open program. Come, let's see some common function keys and their functions are. Uses of F1 key. Open help menu in many Windows 7 applications and browsers. If you are in an application and you press this key, you will get its help file. Uses of F2 key. Renames the selected files or folders. You select the program on your desktop and press this key, you will be allowed to rename that program. Uses of F3 key. Searches for files or programs in Windows 7. While you are working in Windows 7 application, you press this key, you will get the Find Files window. You need not to go to Start Find. Okay children, now let us revise whatever we have learned today. The number keys placed on the right side of the keyboard are called the numeric keypad or number pad. The page up key is used to scroll up and page down key is used to scroll down a page. When we press the escape key, any running program gets cancelled. The function keys are at the top of the keyboard from F1 to F12. These keys act as shortcuts. Dear children, I hope you have understood today's concept. Thank you.